Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been using QuickBooks Online to manage your business finances, you know how important it is to keep your clients updated on their account status. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create and send statements in QuickBooks Online, step by step, using the 2025 interface. Whether you're reminding clients about overdue balances or just summarizing their recent transactions, this guide will make the process quick, clear, and stress-free. First, let's start with why statements are important. A statement is simply a summary of a customer's account activity showing invoices, payments, and any outstanding balance. It's a great way to remind clients what they owe and help you get paid faster. Now, here's how to create one in QuickBooks Online. Log into your QuickBooks Online account and make sure you're on the latest 2025 dashboard layout. From the left-hand menu, go to Sales, and then click on Customers. Find and select the customer you want to send a statement to. Once you're in their profile, click the New Transaction dropdown and select Statement. Next, you'll see three types of statements you can create. Balance Forward shows all transactions carried over from a starting balance. Open Item lists individual unpaid invoices. Transaction Statement shows a detailed list of all transactions in a date range. For most businesses, the Open Item or Balance Forward options work best. Choose your preferred type, set your date range, and review the transactions included. Before sending, make sure the email address on file is correct. QuickBooks also lets you add a custom message like a polite reminder or payment instructions. Once everything looks good, click Save and Send. Your customer will receive a professional-looking statement directly in their inbox, and you'll have a record of it in your QuickBooks account. That's it. In just a few clicks, you've sent a statement that keeps your client informed and helps you stay on top of your receivables. And that's how easy it is to create and send statements in QuickBooks Online for 2025. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more advanced features like automated reminders or recurring statements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.